business owners, when it comes to filing your taxes, having the right professional on your side is so important. But who is the right professional? Should you hire an enrolled agent? Should you hire a CPA to help you out? Well, in this video, I am going to break it all down for you so you can know exactly what you need to do. But before we jump in, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe so you do not miss out on any wealth building information. So what is an enrolled agent? An enrolled agent is a professional tax person that is licensed by the U.S. Treasury Department. They take a 3-part exam that is 100% tax. And then every 3 years, they have to do 72 hours of continuing education. Typically, enrolled agents specialize in tax. They can help resolve your tax problems all the way through the appeals department of the Internal Revenue Service. They prepare tax returns, and typically enrolled agents do tax planning. They eat and sleep tax. Those are what enrolled agents do. You want to choose an enrolled agent when you have a deep tax problem, when you have a sophisticated tax return that needs to be done, when you are constantly paying tax every year, not getting a refund and wondering why. You want to choose an enrolled agent. What is a CPA? A CPA is a great professional. They are certified public accountants that are licensed in the state where they receive their license. They take a 4-part exam, which is comprised of accounting, and a portion of their exam is comprised of tax. CPAs typically focus on accounting and financial matters, although some CPAs do tax returns as well. When might you want to hire a CPA? You would hire a CPA when you need to get certified financial statements. That means you are using these financial statements to get a guaranteed bank loan, and the bank wants those financial statements certified by a CPA. You need to have a CPA when you're looking to purchase someone else's business and you want them to go in and audit the records of the business that you're looking to purchase. CPAs have an excellent opportunity to help you out with your business, but in the right arena. CPAs can be a one-stop shop for both your accounting and your tax needs. The way I like to look at it is you go to your general doctor and they're typically a one-stop shop to give you whatever you need, prescriptions, do physicals, whatever you need from a general perspective. But when you have a real problem, for example, maybe you have a massive earache, you want to go see an ear, nose, and throat doctor. If you're having problems with your bones, you might want to go see an orthopedic doctor. If you're really trying to reduce your taxes and have problems with your taxes and want to do tax planning, my recommendation is get with an enrolled agent because they do know tax. The key differences between EAs and CPAs is that enrolled agents typically focus on tax. So if you really have a tax problem or need to reduce your tax bill, you want to hire an enrolled agent. CPAs typically focus on your full-on financial picture. If you need to have your financial statements done, need some financial forecasting, you're best to hire a CPA. The cost difference between CPAs and EAs can be vast. Most EAs are going to charge somewhere between $150 to $400, where CPAs typically are going to charge somewhere between $250 upwards of $600, and that can be hourly or per return depending on what it is that you need to have done. Given all of this, which one is right for your business? If you need to have your taxes prepared, if you have tax problems, if you're deciding to put maybe some employees on payroll, you need to file some sales tax returns, my recommendation is going to be to go with an EA, especially if you're dealing with a small business and you have a bunch of little things that need to be done. If you are a larger business, 10 million and above, my suggestion is going to be to go with a CPA. A CPA is going to be able to give you certified financial statements. They're going to be able to keep you financially sound and make sure you're doing everything you can to grow your business to that next level. When you are going to go look for an enrolled agent or a CPA, be very, very clear on what it is that you need so they do not tell you what they want you to have. That is very, very important. It's also important to work with professionals that are where you are trying to go. Don't go hire a professional that does not work with small businesses to mid-sized businesses if you're trying to grow your business. Don't work with a professional that does not know how to reduce your tax bill if you're looking to have your tax bill reduced. By the same token, don't work with a professional that can't do certified financial statements if you need to have certified financial statements done. It's very important to get real clear on what it is that you want, because when you are growing your business or when you are focusing on your income taxes, when you are wanting to reduce your tax bill, you want it done right the first time. And redos are costly. That's why when you know better, you absolutely have to do better. And now that you know the difference between an EA and a CPA, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. Now go get after it.